This video shows how to calculate some basic statistics in Excel. So you can see I have some numbers here, some data. If I wanted to find the mean, I click in the cell that I want the answer to go into. I press equals. Every formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. Now instead of mean, it's average, which is what you would have worked out originally before you learnt the word mean. And we open up a bracket and then we have to select the data we want to find the average of. So we click in the first cell or the cell closest to the average. I could have clicked at the top. Hold the click and drag until all the data is selected that you want to find the average of. Then you close your bracket and press enter. If I want to find the standard deviation, press equals, ST, and you can see the formulas start to come up when you start typing. So standardized doesn't sound right. If I go down one, it says calculate the standard deviation based on the entire population. Well, this is a sample. Scroll down again, estimates the standard deviation based on a sample. That's what I want. So that's what you need to type in here. So STDEV.S, open up your bracket and select your data and press enter, and there's your standard deviation. For median equals MEDI, you can see it come up, AN, open up your bracket, and again select the data you want to find the median of. Mode equals mode, and same thing, bracket, select the data you want to find the mode of. So it's pretty straightforward to find basic statistics in Excel, and it makes your life a lot easier, especially if you have a lot of data. The great thing is if I had another column of data that I will just type up now. So there's some data there. Actually, I might change one number. Now, if I wanted to find those same statistics, I can highlight them and then drag them across. So I'm just clicking in the bottom corner where I get a plus sign, drag it across, and the formulas copy across. So you don't have to keep typing up your formulas.